ANAC 2019 Supply Chain Management League. Negotiate your way to fortune. The main features of this league is a business-like simulation environment with endogenous dynamic utility functions, concurrent and recurrent negotiations. The system consists of 5 main components. The most important component is the factory, which is managed by a factory manager. The factory has a set of production lines, a wallet, and storage space. The factory manager's role is to buy raw material, control production, sell produced products, and financial control of the factory. All raw materials are generated by the miner through their mining facility. A miner has again a wallet and storage space, which has an infinite amount of all kinds of products. It only sells raw materials. The goal of the whole production is to generate final products, which are then consumed by retail consumers controlled by the consumer object. A consumer agent, again, has a wallet and storage, but now it has an infinite wallet. Its role is to buy final products that are produced by factory managers. In the simulation, there is only one bank which has an infinite wallet, and its role in the simulation is to provide loans to factory managers. This year, the bank is disabled, so factory managers cannot get any loans. There is also an insurance company. The insurance company can guarantee contracts against breaches of the other agent. It has an infinite wallet and an infinite storage of all kinds of products. Now, these are all the entities in Supply Chain Management League. This is an example of a production graph. It has a single raw material that can be converted into intermediate products and then a final product. The raw material is created by the miners, intermediate products created by the factory managers, and the final products consumed by the consumer. The steps of the simulation is that you announce your interest in negotiation, then some other agent will negotiate with you to buy or sell. Then if you agree, you can sign a contract which becomes binding, and you can produce after that whatever you want to produce to satisfy this contract. The contract is executed at the delivery time, and if there are any breaches, they are processed by announcing the breach and paying a small penalty. All trade is done through negotiations, so we can see here that the same agent can negotiate simultaneously with multiple buyers and multiple sellers, and it has to synchronize its behavior in all of these negotiations. Negotiations are conducted using the alternating offers protocol. In this protocol, one agent creates an offer, sends it to the other agent, which considers it, it either accepts it or creates a counter offer and sends it back. At any point of time, any of the two negotiators can just end the negotiation. If negotiation is successful, contracts are signed by both parties and now they become binding. Execution involves moving the products from the seller to the buyer and the money the other way around. There are several sources of profit and loss in the system, actually 3 for profit and 3 for loss. Your goal is to maximize your profit and minimize your loss during the simulation. You want to maximize your own profit. That's an example of how the wallet of a simple factory manager is changing over time. We can see in the beginning that it went down because it bought some raw materials, it then sold a manufactured product and paid some production cost, received a penalty, paid for insurance premium to buy an insurance, and then received some insurance payment. Factory managers try to maximize their own profit And the winner is the factory manager that can get the maximum amount of profit in all of the simulations. We run thousands of simulations, putting each factory manager in different contexts to find the winner. The system is based on Nigmas, which is an open source community-based platform. Currently, we are developing a visualizer for this platform that allows you to see what's happening in the negotiation. That's the supply chain management lead.